Welcome to our roundup of the best cordless tool kits, versatile power tool collections designed to handle drilling, fastening, cutting, and home improvement projects with greater convenience and flexibility. Whether you're working on DIY repairs, furniture assembly, workshop projects, or professional construction tasks, a reliable cordless tool kit can make your work faster, easier, and more efficient. Modern cordless tool kits come with powerful lithium-ion batteries, brushless motors, ergonomic designs, fast chargers, and multiple tools for different applications. Many kits also include impact drivers, circular saws, work lights, carrying bags, and advanced battery management systems for improved usability and performance. Choosing the right cordless tool kit can save time, improve productivity, and provide a complete solution for a wide range of projects. Let's take a closer look at some of the best cordless tool kits available right now. Starting with the Decopro cordless tool kits. This model is a great option for users looking for affordable versatility, practical functionality, and a complete starter solution for everyday household and workshop projects. It typically includes essential cordless tools such as a drill driver, screwdriver bits, sockets, measuring tools, and additional accessories for handling common repair and installation tasks. The compact cordless design improves portability and allows users to work more freely without dealing with power cords or limited outlet access. Many versions include rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that provide dependable runtime for light-duty and moderate DIY applications. The included carrying case helps keep tools organized and easier to transport between work areas. Additionally, it delivers reliable everyday performance and convenient multi-tool functionality during regular use. Next up is the GRENWRKS cordless tool kits, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced power, eco-friendly cordless operation, and practical performance across home improvement and workshop applications. This model typically features multiple cordless tools powered by a shared lithium-ion battery platform for greater convenience and compatibility. Many versions include a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, flashlight, and charger, making the kit suitable for a variety of repair and construction tasks. The lightweight tool construction and ergonomic grips help improve comfort during extended use. Greenworks tools are also known for efficient battery systems that support stable power delivery and reduced downtime. Additionally, it provides steady performance and reliable cordless operation across different applications. It also improves flexibility, enhances ease of use, and supports a wide range of DIY and workshop tasks. Moving on to the Tino cordless tool kits. This model is known for its budget-friendly value, compact tool selection, and practical functionality for users handling light to moderate repair projects at home. It typically features a cordless drill combined with essential hand tools and accessories for furniture assembly, drilling, fastening, and general maintenance tasks. The rechargeable battery system helps improve portability while reducing the hassle of power cords during operation. Many versions include adjustable speed settings, LED work lights, and ergonomic handles that improve control and visibility while working. Its compact carrying case helps keep all tools organized and easier to store after use. Additionally, it delivers dependable everyday functionality and consistent cordless performance during light-duty applications. It also enhances convenience, improves accessibility, and supports regular household repair projects. Stepping up in performance, the Metabo HBT cordless tool kits offer a strong balance of professional-level power, durable construction, and advanced battery technology for more demanding work environments. This model typically features high-performance cordless tools equipped with efficient motors capable of handling drilling, fastening, and cutting tasks more effectively than entry-level kits. Many versions include brushless motor technology that helps improve runtime, durability, and overall efficiency during heavy use. The ergonomic design and balanced tool weight improve comfort and control during extended work sessions. Its shared battery platform allows multiple tools to operate using the same rechargeable battery system for added convenience. Additionally, it delivers powerful cordless performance and reliable operation across demanding tasks. It also improves productivity, enhances durability, and supports professional-grade job site applications. Taking the top spot is the Craftsman cordless tool kits, a highly advanced and well-rounded option designed for maximum versatility, strong performance, and dependable long-term reliability across home and professional projects. This model typically features a complete cordless tool collection that may include a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, oscillating tool, flashlight, and additional accessories for broader functionality. The V20 lithium-ion battery platform provides stable power output and compatibility across a wide range of Craftsman cordless tools. Many versions include ergonomic grips, LED lighting systems, variable speed controls, and durable carrying cases for improved usability and organization. The strong construction and efficient battery system make the kit suitable for both DIY users and professionals handling regular worksite tasks. Additionally, it delivers fast and dependable cordless performance with consistent power across multiple applications. It also stands out for its versatility, advanced battery platform, and overall value for long-term tool use. All of these cordless tool kits serve different needs depending on power, included tools, and usage requirements. The DeCapro kit offers affordable versatility and beginner-friendly functionality. The GRENWRKS kit provides balanced cordless performance with shared battery convenience. The Tino kit delivers practical, everyday usability for household repairs. The Metabo HBT kit offers stronger professional-grade power and improved durability. And the Craftsman kit stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best cordless tool kits. From compact DIY sets to advanced professional collections designed for maximum convenience and performance. Whether you're upgrading your workshop, handling repairs around the house, or working on larger construction projects, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which cordless tool kit you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and power your next project with the right cordless tool kit.